Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a quick tutorial about Sonic Rumble, guys. A game just got released on iOS and Android, guys, and in this video I'm going to share with you that how you actually can get a mod for the game which works for both devices, iOS and Android. So let me explain to you guys everything you need to know, so I'm going to share with you. Okay, so just to open, and you're going to see it. As you can see, guys, with this mod you will get unlimited resources, red stars, and gold rings as well. So as I mentioned before, it works for the both devices, iOS and Android. So I'm going to open also my iPhone to show to you guys. It's pretty simple and pretty easy to do it, guys. So just make sure you watch the video until the end. I'm going to share to you everything you need to know, okay? So you can do it also you by yourself on your own device. Okay, just a few seconds to get connected with the main page. So you can see the mod. And then we'll go real quick to show you what you need to do. As you can see, also my iPhone worked totally fine, guys. So now all you have to do, you just need to make sure you have good connection with internet, guys, so the whole process doesn't fail because of internet connection. And you can go to internet browser, you can use Safari, Google, whatever you prefer to use, guys. Go and search about this site. It's called Modelix. Just type in the searching bar and you're gonna find it. The first one here. There are a lot of other things inside of the site you can check later if you're interested by something else, guys, but I'm going to use the searching bar here on the top. It's very easy to find things and games particularly, and here it is, Sonic Rumble. You have information about the game, as you can see, all the information you need to know, and the mod as well. And here in the corner you have the install button, guys. Okay, so you just need to press and continue the rest of the steps. You're going to be able to get the mod, same as me. So this is it, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.